G'day guys, Steve with Broken Sprocket. This is just a short video on how to repair a tubeless tyre on a dirt bike once it gets a puncture. So, let's get started. I'm only 3.3 k's in. I've got a flat tyre. This is tubeless. So there's the hole right there. Something sharp went straight through. I'll see if I can get one of these things here to plug it. I've never used one of these on a motorcycle before, see how it goes. Yes, I know the lawnmower in the background has a flat tyre, but it stays up long enough to mow the grass, and that's good enough for me. Yeah, wonder if that worked. No bubbles coming out, that's a good sign. Well, it doesn't seem to be leaking, so I'll trim this a little bit so when the wheel spins it doesn't grab it and pull it out, but I don't want it too short so it doesn't push it through as well. That should be okay. The knobbies are higher, so it shouldn't grab and pull it out, and hopefully it won't push it through. Hey, watch this video next, or go to the Broken Sprocket video library and choose another top video. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. After all, it's for free and guaranteed to make your day 20% better. If you're already a subscriber and you're having a bad day, just think it could have been 20% worse. You can also follow Broken Sprocket on Instagram. So, I'll see you in the next video.